Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find the classic cave and fish it game of Roblox new classic update. Okay, first of all, you need to go to the classic island and you're going to go to this area. Okay, you need to go to the fishing spot first near the waterfall and you will find the door or the entrance there. Okay, go this way and there is new machine here, the weather machine. You can use it to get the disaster. Okay, just go to this area, guys. Oops, I'm trapped. Okay, right here, and this is the entrance. Okay, you can enter this classic cave using the entrance. All right, and now I'm already in the cave. Then in the cave, we'll be able to do fishing right here. This is the fishing spot. And you will find the classic cafe as well. Just go straight forward and you will find the classic cafe. And to unlock the classic cafe, you need to fish or you need to catch 3 fish. And yeah, this is the cafe. Thank you guys, and that's how we can find the classic cave and fish it game of Roblox classic update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.